Seriously guys, this is why you come to Iceland. We're literally just washed up on the beach.
Good morning guys.
Good morning.
We have now been in Iceland for almost a week and we actually haven't shown you any ice.
So we're going to show you the ice in Iceland today.
We are going on the largest glacier in Iceland. It's also the largest glacier in Europe.
And the 5th largest glacier in the world. This is kind of cool.
Yeah, we're going to go walk on it, hike on it. We've got our crampons, our axes, and
our travel
our
insurance
sneakers.
claims.
Well, let's go.
What a flimsy bridge. Wow. I'm sure that water is freezing. Wow, it's like a hole in the ice just down there. Water rushing through. Reminds me of that Milan that we went down in Alaska. We've made friends.
So we're currently on the ice, except you can kind of see the ice because there's ash that's covered all over the glacier. So it kind of gives it this like black look.
Here you guys can really see the ash that is currently on the ice. It really looks cool. See like white over there and then just black. It's so different to what we've done before.
So here you can really see, here's the glacier and there it's covered in just this volcanic ash.
This is why they call Iceland the land of fire and ice. Oh, not gonna lie guys, my hands are just gone, frozen. But hey, gotta make the most of it. We are on top of a glacier, the biggest one here in Iceland, and it's cold. I think definitely been pushed on this Iceland trip how we lost all our gear and we're literally walking in my sneakers. Should have hiking boots, but it does not matter. I want to show you guys and come on this journey with us on this glacier because it is so beautiful. Alright, let's do this.
Come closer.
Yeah,
A little bit closer.
yeah. Why are you guys making me do this first? Oh my goodness.
Slowly backwards. Now we are good to go.
Wow. This is insane.
See how nice it is down there.
Wow. Yep. Yep. I've seen it. It's good. Who's next?
Yeah.
So we've literally just run off the glacier, grabbed some fish and chips, and now we're about to go in a boat and go in a lagoon that is covered in icebergs.
It's gonna be good.
So cool.
But let me just warm up with some of this fish and chips. That looks exactly
It's
what
the
I
only
want.
place around.
See, Jess doesn't lie. It's covered in icebergs.
So cool. All right,
Let's go see it.
jump on a boat.
Our boat has arrived.
Do I grab one of these?
When I give them to you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. These are for kids, you maybe a little
Oh
too tall.
yeah.
Thank you.
Hi.
That's so cool.
Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now.
It's probably gonna take us like what, 20 minutes to swim there? In this cold water it would stay about 6 minutes, so yeah, you better swim fast. Oh wow, thank you.
Alright.
Look at this little beauty.
Wow.
Looks like
Anything of ice.
Broken some off for us.
Should I taste it?
Fresh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You said it's 1,000 years old.
That water's been sitting there for a while.
We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that get one life, I wanna make it count. Now take my hand.
Do you know we've never seen anything like this?
No.
Amazing.
Love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two.
I'm back on the land. That's really cool.
You know what's pretty crazy? Is back in the 1930s, this wasn't even here. This was all the glacier. And that shows how fast this glacier is melting. Because that was at like maths. What, 90 years?
90 years, yeah.
In 90 years, this is how much the glaciers retreated. Now there's this giant lagoon.
And it's still retreating
And
every year.
He was saying that within 150 years, this glacier will be gone.
Wow.
That's how fast it's melting right now. That is crazy.
Seriously, guys. This is why you come to Iceland.
So just across the road from the lagoon is the Atlantic Ocean. And so all the ice comes from the lagoon into the ocean and then gets washed up onto the shore. So this place is called Diamond Beach.
Try and guess why it's called Diamond Beach. I'm used to shells on my beach. Just following the trail. Cheers, guys! Look what literally just washed up on the beach.
It's so big as well. This is crazy.
Oh,
Wow.
so slippery.
And there's just so many pieces
Yeah.
scattered everywhere.
This has got to be one of the most unique beaches we've ever been to. It's black sand. There's just icebergs shipwrecked on this beach. Jess, don't you think it was crazy that we came from Greece
I
to
know,
this?
right? Like, so opposite.
I know, and our next stop is the opposite again. Good morning. Last day of camping. Well, that's it. I still can't believe that this has been our campsite. The glacier is just over there. We are surrounded by mountains, and you're greeted with this waterfall as you wake up.
Good morning, guys. It is our last day here in Iceland, and we've been so lucky with the weather. And of course, on the last day it had to rain, but that's okay. We've been pretty lucky. But yeah, to end our time here in Iceland, we're currently driving back to Reykjavik. Sorry, it is so windy. We are walking to the famous wreck, like plane wreck. I think it got famous because Justin Bieber featured it in a music video. So we're currently walking there now, but does anyone ever show you how long this walk is? We've been walking now for like, what, 45 minutes?
45 minutes.
And we still see nothing. I have a feeling it's going to be like over an hour walk to get there. But welcome to a wet day here in Iceland.
So that's where we came from.
There's like no, I can't see the beginning, I can't see the end, but luckily it's a super flat walk. We have the drone in my Santa sack, hoping for the rain to stop.
I've been praying through the evening.
Made it.
I've been praying through the night, asking every higher power.
Should we go in?
Yeah, let's check it out.
Oh wow.
Oh wow.
It's crazy. Whoa, you can go inside the cockpit.
Wow, it's like completely gutted. Oh, this is so cool.
Yeah.
I've been breaking through the morning.
Definitely the walk in. Alright, now we need to get back to the bus before we get flooded. Oh.
Remake us again. Take what you need.
Whew, what a day, but we are back in Reykjavik. There was unfortunately a car crash which made a huge detour to get us back here, but we are here. It's in the evening, but we have a special reunion. I know you guys are so excited for this.
They came! They came! I'm so happy! Oh my gosh, we can actually go put something else on. We've worn the same outfit for a week. Yay!
So for the last month, this whole thing has been the Iceland box. And 2 seconds later, we're back to our usual bomb self that you guys are used to. Also,
I feel like myself again. This is what my attire was meant to be. The yellow jacket was cool, but...
also this was mine.
if you guys are interested, because we went out and bought these outfits just for this country.
So just picture us cool shots on the plane with this jacket. Alrighty guys, we're gonna go for a walk around Reykjavik and find somewhere to eat.
It's like 10 o'clock at night.
Yes. But I hope you enjoyed that Iceland series. I can't believe we checked off this insane bucket list. It was such an awesome week. And if you guys want to come to Iceland and worried about spending too much money, come on one of these group tours. It was super affordable. Camping, of course, keeps the costs down as well.
And buying food at the grocery store.
Yes, I never want to see another Cronin, which was the grocery store we went to again. But I think we need to go somewhere hot and somewhere a bit cheaper as well. So if you are new around here, make sure you hit subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and we'll see you in a brand new destination with a brand new series. Thanks so much for your support, guys. We'll see you next time.
See ya! Hi, Iceland.
Last time we were here, we had no luggage. We were bagless. Welcome to Istanbul, everybody.
This is our first time in Turkey.
Guys, they're not letting us into Turkey.